businessman on the Businessman Reacts channel, and I'm here about business. You understand? Right now, the girl them are my business. I'm here to see if my match is out here for me. You understand? And big up Crank Up TV. Everything that's around right now. But these are like the most entertaining videos on YouTube right now. For me. Like, so if the man upload a Pop the Balloon every day, I'm gonna watch a Pop the Balloon every day until I'm tired of it. Alright, no, I can't tired of it. It's just too much going on. Like, you just got this nice, beautiful female right here, and let's just, hold on. Alright, we have Shorty. We have, alright. We have the girl them, you know what I'm saying? Couple of them are not my type, but let's just jump into the video.
Here to talk a phone and go find your match.
The talk a phone?
Oh, it's not a match? Oh, shit.
What? Yo, and she shape good, you know? What's her shape there? No, what's she there? The waist go in and then the body come out. I said the waist go in and then the body come out and then it and then it.
Shame kill me.
Respectfully, no. Not my type.
What them youth want in a life?
Shame kill me.
No, genuinely, what do these men want in life, bro? Look at you, bro.
Respectfully, no.
What you mean, respectfully, no?
Not my type.
Bro, look at this nice, beautiful, dark-skinned lady with her natural hair trying to get some pretty baby. What you want? Oh, him want the BBL girl them. Okay. Now I understand why women have problems with us as men, you know. Bro, our representation, society is poor. My God.
Do you think it's your match or not?
No.
Look on the girl with him. Didn't I tell you him want the BBL girl? When I say BBL girl, I mean the fake foreign looking girl. The girl with the crazy baby hairs, obvious weave, lashes that are obviously plastered on, eyebrows that are 10 times thicker than her natural eyebrows, hoop earrings that touch her traps. Like, think about how big hoop earrings have to be to go from here to your traps. These are the types of women that he wants. Alright, I'm not gonna judge you, bro. Do what you want. She's an attractive female, but I won't. It's only 16 seconds and I'm already trying to do analysis. I need to calm down. I cannot do this. Let the video play.
Just not your type. Do you think it's a match?
No.
Alright, I can understand that, Maji. Because this, yeah.
The slimmers them, that's
The birthday balloon and do the deal.
Ooh, baby blue, baby boo.
That's inside. Wait.
Walk up to your match and get best pickup line. My friend.
How would the bumbo?
Video more than kids.
I can't take a shame, you see me?
Yo.
Me get for a like.
Man say I can't take a shame and make the video play.
I said the female then you know like good man.
Yo.
Move the mic now. I'm in my kiss.
She a kiss?
Warning. This video contains super awesome content not suitable for people who don't enjoy super awesomeness.
It's super
Viewer
horniness.
discretion.
What's up, Crank Up gang? Who there? It's the boy Crank Up and her back.
Yo, brother, stop dropping to the floor, bro. You're a grown ass man. Crank up, stop invite them stop invite the youth here to them something, your dog. Until the man can learn how to conduct himself, stop invite him.
Alright, I like the manager. Watch you now. You see, if you're new to the gang, make sure you subscribe, you understand? If you're new to the gang, the #1 rule on the channel is to
I ain't gonna lie. Unless Eddie Chopper is your favorite artist, wear that t-shirt with the next nigga that's alive and that's probably in your age group that you don't know is kind of crazy to me. But maybe I'm different.
like the video. If you love your mother,
But
like
maybe
the video.
Eddie
If you love your
Chopper is
father,
my
like the
favorite
video. If
artist.
you love God, like the video.
Which
If you
then
love your
maybe
family,
I
like the video.
understand.
And if you don't like the video, I'm gonna know.
But I've never heard
feel
anybody
like
say
that.
Eddie
See?
Chopper's their favorite
Watch you
artist.
now. This video.
He's a great
you know
artist,
What, you know,
but-
it's to make you love it. So find
Know your
your
favorite?
match. You understand?
I
If
don't
you're new, this video is basically males
Big
going
up
over
Eddie
to
Chopper,
females,
same way.
females going over to males. If they're a match, they're gonna have to burst the balloon, and inside the balloons, there are some
Bro, I'm
little
too
cards
distracted. Focus.
with
focus.
dares in them that you guys have to do. You see me? In case you don't want to be a match. If they don't do the dares, the match is not complete. Zine? So we're going to see what is what. If you're also new to the gang, make sure you follow me Instagram. You see me? See the Instagram.
I'm not gonna like crack up you chat right now, gang.
Channel. Rock, paper, scissors. Quick and fast to decide who is going first, male or female. Let's go.
Alright.
Alright, so I guess female. That do good? Alright, come cool. Alright, come. Alright, let's go. Let's go.
Like our mouth mash little.
Alright, alright.
Tick
So
door.
what you know?
Well tick.
Females are going
Like
first.
porridge.
But what I didn't even tell them in the intro is that if you reject, you go next. It's simple as that. Then, so we're going to start with female number 7. Who is female number 7?
Yeah.
What's the Instagram?
No.
My Instagram is _Britannia21.
Oh, it's Britannia. Oh, I've
Alright,
seen
Britannia.
her. She did have one different hairstyle in our previous video, man. Yo, she look different. So she can switch it up. Alright. She make me want to stitch it up.
Here's the talker phone and go find your match.
Yeah. Want to stitch it up. She cute
What about
though.
good looking man there?
She cute and thick. Clean skin.
Alright. What's the social magic?
One coach Bell from IG.
Alright. So what you know? Is it a match?
Coach Bell, when them train fitness.
Babes over there, sir.
Oh, it's not a match?
Babes over there, sir.
Oh shit. Babes over there. I don't even know it's babes, but we're gonna find out soon.
We're gonna find out
Alright, what
soon.
you know? Turn this way. Man them. Anybody see Britannia as a match?
She hot it up. But the thing is, like, after you choose a next man before me can't go step up and say, oh yeah, she are my match. And say, oh, you like her? Yeah, she cute. So I say, yo, Britannia, who you would have step up to again? And then maybe. But me can't go step. Worse than she go say, oh no, thank you, not my time. Bro, this is why I cannot do these videos, bro. The shame would have just made me have to just disintegrate right there, so bro. Like, I would have just evaporate, disintegrate, managerialate, every kind of hate, brother.
Alright. Walk it out.
Now walk it out. Now walk it
I
out.
didn't get a match today, darling. Alright. So you rejected. So you're going next.
You
Find
rejected.
Oh, is the mom's or
so
wife?
you're nexted.
Babes.
Babes.
Yeah.
Mo with it who are babes?
Them know each other.
Oh, this is
Ooh, she is nice. Hey.
This is babes?
This I
Babes,
babes.
put up your hand, man. Yeah, move, sir.
That is babes?
Babes, put up your hand, man.
Babes?
You the man.
Where's babes?
Babes, put up your hand.
You the man.
Where's babes? Where's babes?
Nah,
Babes not put up
sir.
her-
Babes not put up her and that shame still. I would have feel shame.
She? Over here? Oh, this is babes?
This is not babes. I don't like babes.
Oh. No, me not see babes that put up my hand. Alright,
Yeah,
this is
babes not put up her hand.
So babes.
Them know
What
each
is
other.
that social,
son.
babes?
Jenny's _bad shorty.
Bad
Alright, so
shorty.
is he your man?
Claude. Bad shorty. With her big forehead.
Him do something, you know. I just want pop him balloon, though.
No, you're not going to pop him balloon.
No, that just slip on my mind right now.
Yeah,
Oh,
pop
so
it
he's
after.
not a match.
Pop balloon after.
You have your glasses, mom. See? Okay.
Is that a match?
Ah,
All right, come here. Come here. It's not a match of yet. Come right here in the middle. Come here. So what you know? Then, in order for this to be a complete match, you guys have to burst the balloon and do the deer that's inside. Burst the balloon. Oh, this is yours. Don't owe me yours as yet. Go ahead.
Oh,
What's
if you
yours?
want drop it out on that lucky.
What does it say? Wait.
Walk up to your match and get best pickup line.
Okay.
No,
Walk
and this
up
is when
to
the
your
man
match
say,
and
why
give it pick up
pre?
line,
Like,
my G.
what kind of foolishness is this?
Pickup line, yeah.
Pick up line. Your best pick up line, my G.
Me not do pick up lines still, so I couldn't even do none. That's why I can't do them video, yeah, bro.
Why pre? At the opening, I have to work with
Yeah,
me.
we the man. Get the
I
man.
opening, you have to work with me.
Why free?
Start show.
Yeah.
Why free? Yeah,
Where you want to go shopping?
That you just spend too much time on social media. This brother spend too much time on social media. Social media. Brother, when you man say give them your best pickup line, the man just offers to go shopping. And knowing most, I'm not gonna say most women, but like the social media women, they'll be like, yeah, let's go. What? Yeah, that's what I wanna hear. Bro, I think this guy's a social media done, bro. I think him scroll too much at Justin, LA boy and them thing there, bro.
You don't want to go shopping? Nah, pickup line.
What shit? My girl said, Yeah, my type. No man can just walk up to you after you for go shopping. You know what I'm saying? Suppose him, hey, ciao.
You don't want to go shopping?
No.
Nah, pickup line. I swear to you. Yeah.
Well, at least you attempted.
You must at least
What's
you're
your deal?
tempted.
Why? That was a
Ready?
tough crank up. Honestly. Kiss man all a shake. Me not like this.
Wait there.
Kiss anybody part on your match.
Anybody? I don't know. You gonna do it or not?
What's that? I don't know. You wanna do it or not?
No,
The one is an instigator. You wanna do it or not?
Or not available?
Or not?
All right. So I guess today is not a.
Nowhere upon like you can't even kiss a man on. Yo, as in I understand still, you don't know where him come from, you don't know where him been, you know what I'm saying. You're not gonna just put your lips on any and everybody. You know what I'm saying? Say he's a little gem, say he's a little diamond in the rough, you know what I'm saying? You try your outside little tough, but you're really shiny and buff, you know what I'm saying?
Much both of y'all. Walk it out. Walk it out.
But them a go match after the video do and start. So don't worry about that.
So we're back on the female side.
Yo, watch Tickers down here, so. Brad Tickers this is. I mean, more brother. Abba Tickers this is. Abba unit.
So we are going to go with female number 6. Female number 6. Your sex? Yes. What's your social?
Sex?
It's JJ Bay. So if you want to see cringy TikTok videos,
Oh, so you're showing her your TikTok.
yeah, it's TikTok and Instagram.
All right, same name?
Nice,
Yeah.
dogs.
All right, find your match.
But guess why me would have match with her?
TikTok and Instagram.
All right, same name?
Yeah.
Hold on there. Let me catch it. There's a
Oh, so
part.
you're showing her your TikTok.
Yeah,
Hold
it's
on
TikTok and Instagram.
Hold
Alright,
on.
same-
Hold on. Right here, sir. Her face remind me of Skeng. Am I bugging? No, honestly. Let us do a deep dive analysis. Doesn't her side profile remind you of Skeng? Ratty Gang? Bro, I'm not tripping, bro. I am not tripping. I'm not tripping. You got me tripping. Oh, somebody. Oh, shit. I'm not tripping. This is Skeng's second female cousin. You see me? I say, ask her where she come from. She come from Spanish Town. Ask her.
Same name?
Yeah.
All right, find your match. Look on them good, man. Ask them all a question if you want.
As in like front view, she
Chance.
look very nice. Yo.
All right. What's the social magic?
And you know why him not gonna do it? Cause him feel like him up on the Louis Vuitton and the chain and the thing. Him need a woman for match fame rate. That's probably why him feel like, with 150 well, you can't really watch followers at IG still. But him look like a nigga where probably would have care about followers if him have on Louis Vuitton and them thing, you know what I mean?
Stunner.
Barn Stunner. Alright, so what you know?
Barn.
Is she your man?
Barn Stunner.
Respectfully, no.
This nigga's a barnyard character. He's a farmer.
Not my type.
Not your type?
No.
Alright, and that's fine?
Isn't me? If she came up to me, I wouldn't have time to see her side profile in real life, so I would have accept, bro. What this really shows is that a lot of these men, if them not have no youth already, dog, it's hard for them get a youth, dog. And it's hard for them get a youth with a woman that actually want them. Because them are just go after a woman where don't want them. And just want, other things from them. But, to each his own. Maybe he can find a woman that's his type that actually want him, but there's nothing wrong with this girl. So I would even just not my perfect match. I'll still match with her for the video and see what I want. You know what I'm saying?
Alright, let's go in the middle.
Okay.
Come right here.
I mean, you don't have much better in the lineup anyway, bro. The girl that you went up to, does she really look better than her? Take off all of that makeup, all of that weave, all of those eyebrows, all of those eyelashes, all of those edges. Bro, she's bare face, natural hair, and prettier than all of the other girls in the lineup, bro. And she's slim thick, have a nice shape, bro. You know what I'm saying? Like, bro, this is why we are having less children. Because people just fool.
Would any of y'all see her as a match?
Yes, I would. I do. Tell her to call me.
Alright. Walk it out. You
Can't
didn't get a match today.
Jano.
We're going back over the male side. There's no match as yet. But if there's a match and you guys feel like stealing, you guys can go steal. Alright? So we're gonna go with male.
Nobody not get teeth, brother.
Number.
That crowd is shy.
Number
That group is shy.
Two.
Group is shy.
Alright. What is in social magic?
So basically on TikTok it's Princey World.
Princey World.
Yeah. That's
Alright. Find your match magic.
Find my match.
Find your match magic.
You like the man last.
Alright.
Find my match.
Go on, put it, man.
Find my match.
Man, analyze them good, man. Ask a question if you feel like.
I'm saying she's not ugly, she just have on heavy makeup. And she do have on heavy makeup, and you know which one me want. And now drop off like
check about.
Yo, what? Yeah.
This is
Oh, her teeth.
Them look good, man.
She look
Yeah,
nice
tell
now.
me,
This are teeth.
Definitely.
Black person. I mean, the white. Dark skin. Yeah, Maji. Good choice. Good choice.
Alright.
Good choice.
What is your social?
Private.
Can't hear.
Private.
Private. Or you don't want to shout it out? No? Alright.
So, my girl, where y'all going, sir? Like, just chill. Like, you're kind of look a bit too chill now. Like, give me like a vibes, please.
Is he your match?
Why is she sign like that?
Yeah? Yeah?
He's a Minerva!
Alright, come here. Let's go in the middle. Forward, my G.
What's wrong with her? Is she slow?
Alright, so what you know? You're gonna have to do the deer inside, and then we are gonna know if it's a match. Alright? Birth your balloon. Here you go. Alright? What does he say?
Post a pic on your Instagram feed with your match with the caption B.
Are you gonna do it? Are you gonna do it?
Can do it in the future.
Not say that in future, no, you have to do it now, brother.
So why can't you know? Why can't you know?
I have to do it now.
You know what is? I'm show it on my TikTok. I don't really do Instagram.
Alright, there's post on a TikTok feed then.
My TikTok feed.
Yeah.
Never walk with the phone. Then.
You know, log in on the phone then.
I log in on the phone. Then.
Yo, the man quick with it still. Man sharp.
You're gonna birth your balloon?
And she tick.
And let's see you're there.
She tick.
Alright. What does it say?
Turk on your match for 15 seconds.
Are you gonna do it?
We're not fans.
Not fun. At least you don't have to be one of them bad words. It's a simple one.
But so that would be a bad word. That's a simple one.
You gonna do it?
Yo! Wait.
She's gonna twerk on you for 15 seconds.
Side view!
Yeah. Ready? Let's go. Ready? Body yaddy. No, curvy waist, little waist, anything, man. You gonna do it? Yeah, man.
No, man, you see, for me, I'll be all the right this up, but it's also brace up and I say, yo.
Who's that? Yeah, DJ, who's that?
Don't get me excited!
When you have it? You're not gonna do it?
She not do it, man. She
No?
shy.
Alright, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. It's not that much. Both of y'all walk it out. Walk it out.
I'ma did something like it, you know, but that whole interaction right there just give me no sense. like you give me like you would do that in like for the simplest thing though. Like me I ask you what you want to eat. Like what you want to eat? Like use your words. Like there's an English vocabulary at your disposal. Use it. Come on, man. Give me some energy or something, man. I don't like you anymore. Go home. I'm glad you're gone.
So,
go away.
I'm thinking escape a while ago. Just because we never had a focus. You rejected.
So you're next.
So you go next. Find your match
rejected.
and find the type.
So you're next.
Never your type.
Well, question. I
Yeah,
wonder
Mr.
whenever
Businessman.
match we can
No,
do-
only
have
matches.
all the matches.
Yeah.
What?
She there, man?
She know from she said the chain and the watch and the Louis Vuitton. She know say quote unquote hot girl, you know, and we called it.
Tiffany?
Come on, know you
What
did
you say?
agree with me when I said it.
Just Rashi.
Say that again?
Just Rashi.
Just Rashi. Alright, what do you think? Is he your match or no?
Does she not underscore that she does she not underscore?
Just
Does she not remember that she has 3 underscores in her name? Like why do people do that, bro?
Rashi.
That doesn't mess with
Just
my
Rashi.
OCD, bro. Because when you are signing in on anything, you literally have to put the underscores. You don't type in just Rushy. You have to type in just underscore Rushy. So please tell me that you have underscores in your name, please. Like Instagram messes up sometimes. Stop.
Alright, what do you think? Is he your match or no?
I know I'm nitpicking, but that just annoys me, bro. No. Because you literally have 3 underscores in your name.
Why?
Like, why do you not say underscore?
That's not your type. Alright. Let's go in the middle.
And you see, you go after woman because you think you have Louis Vuitton and chain and Ray, you is fear type. Brother, humble yourself. You know how hard it is for a man get a woman to come up to him, but you think you're hot shit. But guess what? You're not shit.
Females. Out of 4
I don't know
females.
if you even got shit.
Out of 4 females. Would you guys see him as a match?
Watch her. My girl put on the balloon. Hide from him. No match for you.
Alright. Guess it's not a match today. Alright, walk it up, my G.
Oh, no match for you. Man, them have woman come up to them and I didn't.
Alright. So,
That's
Rashi,
stupid, man.
you rejected.
So you're next,
So you're next. Fine.
And I'm about to have like a shape to stay, you know what I'm saying?
Your match. Six and some fellas remaining. Anyone you feel like it's a match.
Bro, there's like 2 inches of space between her eyebrow and her edge, bro. Like, when does it become like? When does it stop being edges and it just starts becoming just hair on your face? Like, just honestly, because an edge of something is the lining of something. So if it's the edges of your hair, it should be along the lining of your hair, but the edge should not extend further than the line. It's called an edge for a reason. So if it forward all the way down past, so down here is the edge then. So you need a new edge for the edge. Cause you just increase your hairline by 13 strandage inchage of circumferential. Yeah, you never know some study. Biomechanical cosmeticology. You didn't know that? If you don't know, now you know, nigga.
Some fellas remaining. Anyone you feel like it's a match.
Yo. No. And you see how I know she fool? She went up to the nigga that bounced his ass on the floor. She has no self-respect and neither does he. They belong together. Actually, I'm sorry. This is a match made in heaven.
Big Bomb! What the socials, Maggie?
Lindsay machine, you know?
Alright.
Type shit.
So Lindsay, what you know? You feel like she's a match?
Watching out one of the people them work with me. Type shit.
Yeah.
Okay?
Type shit.
Alright, ready now. 1, 2, 3. Give me a Y.
Why?
Give me a E.
E.
Give me a
Hess.
period.
Period.
Alright, come here, come in at the middle.
You see, Lindsay Machine,
come in the middle.
he's a comedian, you know, bro. So it's like, him always like a funny. I just don't like when the man drop to the floor, bro. I don't like that, bro.
So what you know? You're gonna burst your balloon, and let's see the deer that's inside. Ooh, where did that go?
Why crab comes out so fruity? Where did it go?
What does that say?
My mama should show my phone for 15 seconds.
Did you much go to your phone for 15 seconds? Are you gonna do it?
You want 30?
30. Where's the phone?
I'm having in back pocket.
Reach your phone, bro.
The phone. Alright. Anything you want to go to
That's
Manji?
hilarious, bro.
Really? This one going to be burning?
And that me I say.
You don't get a phone?
Yo, me can't believe. Yo, not disappoint me with that deer. Me I stop put it in there.
What?
Put
Why?
it back. Give me.
The phone not touch good, I mistake, bro. Type
Okay.
shit.
Alright.
Type shit.
Type shit.
Y'all tell him what to go in now. Lindsay. Yo.
Type shit. Bro, my frame rabbit rise pan.
Yo. What's it? Rabbit rise.
9.
Yo, so why crank up and looking at the phone to another your girl? Crank up, back up. You just need to put the talker phone at a distance to where the wavelength can reach it. Brother, you don't need if you're looking at the phone. Bro, back up, bro. Trying to look at my girl, nigga. Back your ass up.
8.
What's wrong with this
7,
nigga, bro?
6. 5.
Bro, it
4.
clean like how I do HIV test.
I stop with the deer and come now. Disappoint with the deer. And I try to make you see some things that nah, do the thing. Why we not going to WhatsApp? Who no want to see? Who no want to see?
Mistake, bro. Why you put... Anyway, continue.
Come, burst your balloon and let's see if you're going to do the deer. What does your deer say, my G?
Boom, say, hey,
Wait,
crank up, me love you as a bro, my friend.
What do you say?
Do your 5 TikTok routine. Come here, boo.
Oh, you
One sec, come here, boo.
No, type shit that's there, so this is for you, type shit.
Okay.
No. The man I got drop. The man, yo. I'm going to put on my dark glass fully. Just so. I can cover my eyes from this. You know what I'm saying? Cause like the glasses block it from entering my soul. Cause them something a demonic ritual.
That's what I remember.
If him ever drop to the floor, me I go go back to church.
Get on, man. Yeah. Favorite TikTok routine. Let's go. Alright, watch ya. It's a complete match. Go with the match. Go with the match, Lindsay. Go with the match.
So that's what women like? You're telling me I need to bounce my ass on the floor? and kick out like Michael Jackson. And then I'll be attractive to women. Okay. I'm just here to conduct research. That's all I'm here for. Please don't take my judgment serious.
So we're down to 5 gents, you know, and 4 females. So we're on the male side again. So we're gonna go with male number 5. Number 5? Me have a 5? Yeah, 5? You make me think me now have a 5. Come here, check me think good.
Them shy,
Forward. What's the social, my G?
Roshi Z-Tech and my TikTok 1_ rap,
Alright. Find your match, my G.
Bro, why my pretty girl them so devilish? Bro, like...
Anybody who sees your match now? She have a...
Yeah.
Alright. What's your social?
Black British.
Alright. So is he your match? What's your social?
Black British.
Bro, look at her profile picture, bro. That just shows you her entire personality.
She have a...
Yeah.
Alright. What's your social?
Black British.
That means
Alright,
that shows
so
you
is he
everything
your
you need to know.
Yeah.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Sure?
Yeah.
Alright. Let's go. Come in the middle. So what you know?
You're no bullshit.
I'll go burst the balloon and let's do the dare. What does that say? Like you turn upside down. Alright, good? Yeah. What is it?
Kiss my match any part on our body.
Alright. Any part on our... Oh yeah, give him the part we want to kiss? Anyway, man. Yeah.
Yo!
I do
Okay.
Breast, me are going up.
Next kiss.
All right.
Your balloon?
All right.
That feel good?
Yeah.
You right up? That feel good. Yo, calm down. How long you no get some? How long nobody no kiss your neck? Fear ball it out so in front of people. You know this is going to be seen by millions of people as well. So everybody see you get a one little chups by your neck and you're ready for just risk it all. Calm down. Just hold the composure a little bit no more. I know say, you know what I'm saying, you're the woman, you know what I'm saying, lonely, hurricane just pass and thing and, but, just go easy, mama. Easy.
Let's go. Right? Is it?
Oh, the blue.
Where is it?
Mourn in your match.
Mourn.
You gonna do it?
Mourn.
Right. Come here.
I know she say she say MOAN on the paper and still say mourn. But can still hear it, boy.
Like that?
Yeah, man, it's tough.
It's tough.
Nah, that much there, alright. I like that much there.
So we're over the female side again, and we have 3 females remaining.
Well, we have 2 match, 3
so
match.
We're gonna go with female number 9. Oh, that's you? What's your social?
Luna _kid__1.
I'm telling you, bro, their profile pictures tell you all about their personality.
What's your social?
Luna
Look at that.
_kid__1.
Alright. Find your match. Yeah, man, just walk up to one of the handsome young men and find your match. Simple.
Simple. Sizzle my nizzle. Give me some of your swizzle.
There? There?
Brad.
Alright, what the socials, man?
Them type of girl they want you, Brad.
__ ATM.
Alright, so we use...
You see what I mean? Stinger know said the man have an underscore in his name, so him now got just say his socials is Stinger ATM. Cause him have 2 underscore in his name. So why the lady on the other side have 3 underscore and never even say 1? I'm niggas gonna say I'm tripping. But I don't care, bro, cause Stinger just proved my point. You have 2 underscore in your name. Say it.
So you think it's a man?
Respect Stinger.
No. I don't think.
And him respectful.
Yeah, I like the slimmers them. That's why I'm my up and everything, but I like the slimmers them. Yeah.
You see me?
No problem. Come here, there.
You see it? Respectful. Cause him don't say way more him want say, and it's way more I want to say, but she's not crashing out, she's not being disrespectful, so I won't say anything.
Of the other gents feel like she could be a match.
What if people that gonna get matched up?
Alright. I guess that's a no match. Walk it out.
Now walk it out. Now walk it
no,
out.
sir, it look rough. That episode there look rough.
It look rough,
about
man.
Too much we get already, man. That episode
Yeah, only,
there rough,
only
man.
too much, yeah.
So watch you now. Like how you reject, you know you're next. Find your match. As I said, if you want to steal one of the matches, you can go ahead and try that.
Yeah,
Alright?
him say him like slippers and none of them girls slip.
Yeah, if never were a match. If I know a match, you cannot go. Oh. Yeah. Give it a bit of one.
One.
Over there for match. And Black Bitch, you're there at the
Yeah, man. Yeah, man. Blackie. Yeah, man. Thick Blackie.
Yeah.
So you're
Thick
going for a
Blackie,
steal.
Thick Blackie.
Alright, let's go.
Blackie British.
Let's go. Let's
Yo,
go.
yo, if a white person said that, yo, Twitter would have done, bro. Twitter would have literally have a pause, bro. Everything, TikTok, Twitter, IG, everything would have a pause. Threads, fucking everything, bro.
That's
Tick
alright.
Blackie.
Alright.
Tick Blackie.
Where you say? It's like if you can steal it from your match, where your match? Where's your match?
Where you say, dog.
Forward. Forward. She, it got them for steal, you know. So, I don't know what go on.
You want to say, I don't know what go on.
Are you swapping out or are you staying?
Why you do me this?
You heard that?
Code, man.
She like it, you know, she like it. She like the attention.
I'm that type of loyal girl, so I stay by yourself.
You stay with us?
Yeah, but like it, but I
But like that.
stay by yourself.
But like that.
You want to try fight with him? What do you think? You can take two man?
Hear her. Yes, she wants to protect the two of them.
Yeah, me can't take two. If I can't take one man,
They want to ask me if they would share? I don't know.
I'm not sure, me.
Yeah, share me that.
Yeah, I'm gonna share that with I'm gonna save some stay, brother. Me can't know say you are do it. And then like probably yesterday you would do it and she come to my yard today. Or even last week. Me not care, brother. Me not gonna know say dog your DNA and bacteria and just your genetic makeup just I got infiltrate our system, bro. And me alone for infiltrate our system. You understand? And me alone for get up in there. You know what I'm saying? With the male energy. You know what I'm saying? You just shocking up everything. Yeah, not you, bro. Back up. That's why I can't do the sharing thing or the polyamorous or the I'm too jelly.
No sharing.
No, sir.
No,
Alright,
sir.
so you don't know, right? Alright, forward, my
Stay with our match. Loyal girl.
So watch you now.
So girl, you go find out
females
all
remaining.
day. So me love your girl and dance all day.
Would seem as a match.
Yeah, man, that
Or go up on
video.
the wall, an artist, on a jar.
Nah. Them not gonna get no much, you know. So I don't know why them are going on so.
Alright.
Act like that. Cause you're not act like that. What's wrong with her? What's wrong with them?
We're down to 3 males and 2 beautiful females.
That rhyme.
So we are gonna go with. We have female number 1 and female number 8 remaining. I wanna feel like if I choose 1 or 8. No comment. No comment. May I give you 5 seconds? Comment.
But
1
now
or
come
8.
But I'm gonna just tell you. 8. Cause the two of them shape like
All
a
right.
8.
Seeing that we start the game, we're gonna go with female. Number 1. Female number 1.
You're wicked in youth. After me just tell you
Oh,
8.
that's you. What's your social?
So it's Trishan Star official
She's not ugly. She's a little bit heavy though.
on every platform: YouTube, TikTok, Instagram, Snapchat, everybody.
All right.
Everybody.
Find
Everybody.
them match. So that 3 man them, I don't know.
Everybody. She don't look too bad. She don't look too bad. Belly big though. What's
Yeah. Alright.
Belly big though.
What's your social magic?
On TikTok, a Zaddy BBWK.
I'm tired of niggas, bro. I'm tired of niggas, bro. These are the types of niggas. This is when I say like our representation in society isn't good. This is what I mean. Bro, what you mean? Hey underscore Zaddy underscore BBW underscore King. Was that a zodiac sign emoji at the start as well? God, like what is this? Bro, what is this? And I would go and do my research, bro, but I don't even want to go and give his channel any views, bro. Hey, Zaddy BBW King. Yo, if you don't choose her as a BBW King, bro, you're a fraud.
Alright. Is she here much?
Yeah, she's thick. My type.
Thick as
Okay.
Yeah.
I take back everything I said. You're a real nigga.
Straight.
That's a code. Alright, forward in the middle. Alright. You're gonna birth your balloon and let's see
Yeah, your TikTok name is wild though, bro. Wild as fuck.
if it's gonna be a full match or not. What's that? Oh, okay. You know I'm bossy. You don't want to birth it?
The baby stubborn.
The baby stubborn. Hold that. What is your match?
The baby stubborn. The baby stubborn. The baby stubborn.
We have a lot of these deers, man. Where are they?
Stubborn.
Kiss any body part on your...
Here the man. Oh, I have a lot of these. Nigga, you put them there. Am I missing something? What you mean we have a lot of these? It's your video. You know how much of them you put in there. Stop trying to insult my intelligente. Comprende?
You gonna do it? You're gonna do it?
Me hear my phone, you know, but
I don't hear much.
Dirty.
Daddy. Okay, yeah, I thought he name, no? You're gonna do it?
Watch out! You have to move the balloon.
Right now, I'm in my kiss.
Ah, I'm a kiss. Ah, where you kiss? There's no way she kissed him on the lips. There's no way she kissed him on the lips. There's no way she kissed him on the lips. There's no way she kissed him on the lips.
Okay.
He's starting. This nigga got kissed on the lips. This nigga got cooties. This nigga got kissed on the lips, bro. But, alright. Crank up. W editing though, because you took it out. So it's just up for interpretation. We don't know what she kissed. But, you know what I'm saying? Getting kissed on the lips on YouTube from a random woman is crazy, bro. You know what I'm saying? You don't know who she is, what she's doing, or what she even did before that, you know what I'm saying? So, but it was edited out, so we don't know if she actually kissed, but me I no idiot. Me know what happened. I know exactly what happened there.
Okay. Yo, the 20 down, you know? 20 down, 20 down, 20 down, 20 down. Alright. Birth your... He's astonished. He's astonished. All right, we're going to go again. We're good? You want to do your deer? You want to chant your deer? I don't know. All right.
Brother, I that's done too. Yo, our breast your friend. Bro, one heap of breastage this, you know. When this come out of that brother, bro, yo, you better hope say you catch one of them before it. Yo, you know what I'm saying? And you have that's the thing with me now, bro. Like, no matter how long the breast is, bro, me I catch it and me, you know what I'm saying? If me have to wrap it up and, you know what I'm saying? And, yeah, brother, I want to you. Me no business, bro. Long breast, tall breast, all breast.
All right. I know you're going to afraid that you're there right now.
Tell your match what you would do to her in the bedroom.
Okay. Tell her much what you do there in the bedroom. I don't know if you want to talk on phone or if you just want to talk.
I'm a dominant man, so I would handcuff you.
All right. Would you like that, to be handcuffed?
Yes.
Yeah. Would you like to be handcuffed by him?
Yeah.
Yeah!
Go on with the match. Come and see one. Go on. Go on with the match. Go on with
Yo, the man didn't even hug her, bro. The man put him hand on her back like, how can I show you this? Like, come, let's get out of here. Come, go. Like, let's, no. I don't think him really like her like that. I think the kiss, yeah, it pushed him away. Pushed him away. Wave after wave.
So we have one female and two gents. We just go over the female, but we are go over there again. Because it's one, and we have two man, so you have options. Find your match, but before that, what is your social?
Analytical art.
Hi, I am the great Nia. You can follow me on all platforms.
Nia, you're great for
Alright.
real? What you great
Find
for?
your match.
Nia, what are you great at?
Two gents.
Nia, no look bad to you know.
Yeah.
People, I know somebody watching this gonna be like, yo, kogency, yo, you have no taste, you have no standards. You say everybody look good. I'm not saying that I would take them or they're my type or whatever, but I'm just saying like they're not horrible looking human beings, and they're not. They're not.
All right. So what you know? What's the social, my G?
So it's DJ Ardley, DJ.HORDLEY.
Ardley.
All right.
DJ
Do
Ardley.
you see her so much?
Yes.
Yes.
Yeah.
Come here.
Nice.
So what you know? Nice. You're gonna do your dear. Well, I don't know if you're gonna do it, but let's see. All right, let me take it up for you. What does your dear say?
Whisper something sexy in your match ears.
Okay.
And her voice nice and soft and feminine and light and sweet and nice and neat and...
Yeah, we have it here.
Yo.
Where's it?
I'm gonna hold on for her too.
Let's go. Go on, my here. Yeah, go on.
In the bedroom, more than it's
What you... Yo, why do I know what's up? No, look on him face. Him hear our voice and him start dream, right? Him start, okay. And then what? No, it's too much.
Here?
Yo, let the man drunk. Let the man drunk off all of the vibes and the man I feel right now, brother. Brother, like the man, watch man, brother, like he's frazzle dazzle. No, brother, that would have frazzle dazzle me too. When she have her soft finger, them palm my neck, and then the sweet voice in the ears, and she probably smell good. No, sir.
Yeah, I'm here.
You like that?
Yes.
Man say, yes.
You hear?
Yeah, I'm here.
Yeah. Yes. You like that? Yes.
What is it?
So, show how you would react if you caught your match with a next man in your bed.
All right.
In my bed, that would have hard still, you know, because my yard have dog. You would have to get the money used to the dog them, or you would have lock up the dog them. And from us to the dog them lock up, I know say smaddy in the yard. You know what I mean? Yeah. I wouldn't react, you know. Cause that's how niggas end up in jail. You know what I'm saying? I would leave, you know what I'm saying, and just, yeah, bro, figure out my life after that, bro, cause, you know, make me end up a prison for you, you know. Your vagina is not worth that much, I promise you it's not. I can find another one that is just the same, that does the same exact things, you know what I'm saying, that's probably on a better person. You know what I'm saying, you know, so, no. What would I do if I walk in and you have somebody in the bed? Obviously, initial shock. You know what I'm saying? But if I'm my yard, the man have to go get out initially first. Because my yard, you have to go left. The brother, you have to go left. You and him have to go left. Because my yard. I'm to know. You have to left. Yeah. I go and army. I bring my dog them inside for come bite, you know. Straight like that. That's why I have 5 dogs, you know. This is my 5 big dog for come bite up your blood. Play with me.
How would you react if you see your match with a man in your bed? You have to just hockey out. Show it how it go.
Once they have hockey out.
Yeah.
What, hockey and saltfish out?
And I go fight the woman still in the butt.
Yeah.
Yeah, hey boy there. What you doing on my bed? Hey boy.
Hey boy there.
Look at my shit and drop and nothing.
So when me go in a prison, he
Yeah.
kill me.
Him still have
Yeah, him still have ours.
Exactly.
Alright,
Smart.
Walk out.
Oh, she have a nice smile.
Kill me.
Him still have
Yeah, him still have
Her
ours.
smile
Alright,
sweet. I feel like you can tell like a lot about people from them smile. Like she smile and like her shoulders like ease in, like that's like she really cheesing, like she genuinely amused right now. You know what I'm saying? like you know when girl laugh like that, bro, like you know what I mean? Nah, she feel the vibes. You know what I'm saying? And she have vibes too. So big her up. You know, this video wasn't too crazy in terms of the disses, and that's really what we're here for. We're really here to see people get violated. But you know, we found humor in it.
Do the walk out in the match. Walk out.
Nigga say, you like that? Yes.
Alright. So we're down to 1 male.
Jalo.
The infamous
that I like,
foot.
you know when you play ball and you get picked last, dog, you say, oh, Jano style. Everybody I look on you like while you get picked last and everybody I laugh, everybody I say, nobody want to play, dog. Love it, dog. Like, yo. Me go play my game, cause at least me are the first pick for my game. Nobody can pick me for my game. When me press on the PS button there. Wait there. Yo. When me go so. You hear that? Beep. No worry man, the P5 loading. Cause kogency goaded. No, my PS4 is going to make so much noise in my video. Let me finish this. Why am I so distracted?
You have the idiot talk right now, my G. Why you social?
You know, say a top underscore code on every platform. You get me, I say?
Alright, so watch your now code. Are you gonna walk away with no much today, or are you gonna go for a steal?
I don't steal nothing because I can't take a shame. You see me? I get
Nah,
realize
facts.
that the
Nah,
female
facts.
then don't like good man.
No.
You see me? I say? I give you substance, I give you quality.
I give you substance, I give you quality.
Tune in to the next episode, you know what I mean?
When you say you fall, go try find a batch
Any female around here
again?
want me? Put up your hand.
Show it.
No. Watch out! If you don't shoot, you don't score. Ask and you shall receive. Seek and you shall find. Proof is in the pudding. Let us replay this clip and show you how life lessons unfold right in front of our eyes.
Next episode, you know what I mean?
Listen.
Any
Listen,
female around
Linda.
here want me? Put up your hand.
Any female around there want me?
Show it.
Show on this.
Oh, you want him?
Oh, you want him?
You want him?
You want him? You
Come
want
here, like you
him?
want him. Come here.
Skank cousin
Come
want
here.
him?
I've never done this before.
Skank cousin
But for a
want
coat,
him?
I'm gonna do it. Come here. Coat. She put up
What she say?
a coat. I'm gonna do it. Come here.
Why it look
Coat.
like you don't want me? And the man never even answer. Coot, you don't want her. Coot, when she said that, you have to say, nah, baby, I want you, man. Yeah. Coot, don't do that. You throw out your line or you catch. Don't drop your catch.
She put up her hand, you know. Would you want her back?
Me like it thicker than but me go stick to what me have today. You know what I mean?
Yo, you see what I mean by men like will just fumble the bag, bro, mess up their chances, bro. You know, so she can probably turn into a nice little slim tickers or a ticker or like a medium tickers if with a little food and gym and ray and you know that's the thing, bro. You see me a pre-future, bro. Me a pre-progress. Me a pre-buildings. infrastructure constructionary. You know? Where's my hard hat? Bro, don't let me bring back my hard hat, you know, bro. Health and safety. Next video, I'm bringing back my hard hat, bro. To show you that constructionary kogency. I had to double up the constructionary. It was an accident. I'm waffling. But, you know what I mean? She put herself forward to you saying, yo, I like you. Nobody else in the room likes you. You're going to talk about, boy, you know, me usually like the tickers them, but me I stick to them off today. Bro, can you shut up? You just made her vagina just dry all the way up, bro. Any type of feeling what she did have for you, gone. Fumble the bag.
We'll see if it work.
Alright, here we go. You burst your balloon first, Coot.
Up on one leg and quack quack like a duck for 10 seconds.
And from the preview, at the start, the intro of the video, I know he does it, so let's just continue. We don't have to talk about it because we know he's going to do it.
Quack up on one leg and quack
We
like
know
a duck
he's
for
going
10
to do it.
seconds. Let's go.
Yo,
We
you
know
think
he's
me like clown, you know. Boy, I'm sad.
Yeah.
Quack, quack! Quack! Quack, quack! What you say, that can't work? 10 seconds? Alright, go.
That never too bad still. That never too bad still. It's somehow him still find a way for G it out still. Like do it like a G. Like it still never like, you know, him never look crazy. Like machine will literally drop him. You know what?
Alright.
I'm not gonna talk about
Let's
that.
go,
guy
little
anymore.
miss.
I'm a big woman.
You're a big woman. Alright, yeah. What does it? What does it say?
Shout out in a sexy tone and say yes, yes, daddy.
Alright, so you're gonna show it in a sexy tone, right? And say yes, yes, that.
No, more than need that in my ears. You forgot deaf me with that. I need you to raise the decibels in my eardrums, baby girl. Damage it. Ball out. Bellow.
So, are you gonna do it? Sexy.
I'm gonna come up here ready, I'm gonna try.
Use the microphone, yeah?
Yes, yes, daddy.
Come here. Come here. Come here.
Yeah.
What you know?
They belong together. Because any feeling I just had for her, beat it.
Me just make una do that. But really and truly, no, I'm gonna get no match. Gonna walk away. Walk away. Walk away. Walk away. Good. Walk away. That was
Yo,
for
the man just
entertainment purpose only. Watch it now. We've made it to the end of the video. You get me? If you like the video, make sure you
still get a
subscribe,
match.
make sure you comment, make sure you like the
Go
video. See me?
Can't take with the man match.
If you like this video, please to hit the like button. Make sure you subscribe. You understand?
Yeah, man. All of that. We do all of that already. Yeah, man. Pull on that. Sorry, I forgot. Businessman. On the Business Reacts channel. Rastafari.